front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. You need to begin by tapping on Settings and scrolling down to hit this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now you can tap on Add Password instantly. If you can't see those options though, you see this screen right here. That means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to add them manually from here. To fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Click on Home button and log in into any website or any app that requires an account, like Facebook. After entering your account information, you will see this pop-up, Save Password to Google Password Manager. You need to hit Save at the bottom right corner and then go back to your manager in Devices Settings. Hit Accounts. And as you can see, my password is here along with Add Password option. So now I can tap and add any other password manually. To do that, at the top, input any website, or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!